I like you've got a fidget skateboard as well.
It's the kids, I told you.
We
they
used to have those.
They really take over this car. Oh yeah, I need to put my... I know, the memory's full. It's all going on. Yeah.
It's all happening.
Alright, when you're ready, Max.
Okay.
Route 20. Good luck. I won't say anything unless... Oh,
Unless you feel compelled.
All the fingerprints in here. I don't know about you, but when you take your glasses off, do you feel like...
I feel like I'm all turned
it's a
around.
whole new... Yeah.
I feel like I'm absolutely all turned around. I've got no idea what's going on.
Yeah, that's how I feel. I remember people in school, and I used to be like wondering why they look so confused.
Yeah, and like squinting.
That's me, yeah, that's me now.
Okay, I'm gonna go.
Yeah. But it does feel like everything's so much brighter, even though it's not. Well, I've just taken my sunglasses off.
One of my mates got these sunglasses that they're for colourblind people.
Yeah.
And they make colours like really vivid, and they've got something in them that changes the way light hits your eyes.
Yeah.
I'm gonna let this guy go.
Okay, the lorry.
Yeah.
Or the one behind.
No.
They look like they really wanted to.
Yeah, he's absolutely desperate to go this lot, aren't they? I can go, can't I?
Yeah,
I can fit down
you
there.
can fit down here.
But yeah, I put them on. It's mad. It's mad. Everything's so bright and vivid, and you're like, oh my god, is that what colours actually look like?
Oh really? Yeah. Sometimes I wonder if I'm colourblind. Can you see the phone okay? Because the colour, the sunlight.
Can you hit don't show again on it?
Yeah. There you go.
There we go.
So going straight ahead, this is a good route. So we never come down this way.
Yeah, I don't know this bit.
This is going towards Hivergreen.
Sure.
Possibly the roundabout's down there. There's no sound on it yet, so I'm not sure if it's
okay.
speaking.
I can just keep an eye on it.
Yeah. I will too, just in case.
Oh, it's come up again.
Slow charging. Do you know what? Since it's not speaking, I will pop it off. Because it's telling me it's slow charging. That's what that's about.
I think it's just sort of standard
buns and
I don't know if it's
biscuits.
Blackbird Bakery.
Oh really?
I don't know. So it just
a big
said
chain.
Yeah, but it just said sort of Beckenham
Where is the
Bakery or
Blackbird?
whatever. There's one on the high street by like ZZ.
Yeah. In the correct lane, so he's going to go right there. He's going to move to the right a little bit. We'll go straight ahead because we're in the.
That's because I just saw that blue bit there.
It's okay. You can go green.
Oh,
yeah. Yeah. So that it was meant to go right, so he was in the correct lane. But I know what you mean. It's confusing there, isn't it? We'll go right just behind the white bus.
Sure.
Yeah. So just here, and then we should catch up to the. Route.
Just let me go. Thank you.
Yeah, so I know what you mean. It looked a bit confusing. Yeah. We'll go straight down.
And then go right at the bottom. To rejoin that route?
Yeah. Straight down and right at the bottom, please. In fact, I'm going to get you to pull over on the left after this little side road. You can pull over anywhere here on the left.
Yeah.
That's the only thing about it not speaking. It's hard to tell. You know that when it has that blue line going straight, blue line going right. you. Yeah, so we're gonna go right at the end, and then we'll be back on track. Okay, when you're ready.
Cool. A friend of mine was like, "Oh, when it's your test, do you want me to drive in front of you?
What?
The whole to sandwich you in so you can't make any mistakes." And I was like, I don't think that's going to be super helpful.
That's a very nice friend.
It was a nice gesture. And then another one was like, "Yeah, I'll drive behind you, and then we'll just protect you from any idiots."
That's very nice.
It was very nice of them.
They're hilarious. The problem is you just don't know what's going to happen on the day. Look at the sirens.
Oh God, is he coming this way?
Let's have a look, I'm not sure. Oh yeah, he is.
Okay.
Well done. We're just gonna go forward now and just pull ourselves in there.
Yeah.
I didn't even realise it was in there. Yeah, that's it, go on. That's it. And then straight. That's it. Well done.
Yeah, I don't think the boys would have been able to help sandwich me in.
Yeah.
Am I on the curb or do I need to reverse?
You're okay, just go over it slowly. Well done. That's it, well done. Good. And then straighten up. Well done. You did good there, Max.
As soon, you were right. You were like, you can't tell what's going to happen on the day.
Yeah.
As soon as you hear the siren, it's like, it's obviously coming down here, isn't it?
I mean, what are the odds? I thought he was going to go straight, but...
Oh, this van's not super helpful. I can go.
Yeah.
God, yeah, it's all happening today.
I know. No, you did good there, because you didn't get close, you stopped in a good place, you know. Reacted well. They'll be impressed with that. They will. It's just our luck that the fire engine came down a narrow road.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, we're just following this road ahead now, yeah? Yeah, you just never know what's going to happen.
No.
Because sometimes people are like, oh, mock test, you're just like following the route, you're cramming the route, but you're not.
But that's sort of the same everywhere though, right? Like,
it's you know, to an extent it's helpful because then you get comfortable and you know, it's less stressful if you've been down the road before.
Yeah.
But you never know what's going to happen, so you still need to know what to do in certain scenarios like that, you know. So it's worth doing. Yeah, Blackbird Bakery, they've got loads everywhere.
yeah, I don't know if
it
just said, well, my mate showed it this morning, it was just like, oh, Beckenham Bakery. I don't think I've ever seen that.
Yeah, neither have I. I know like Rio Ferdinand had one in Beckenham.
Oh, really?
A donut shop, I think. That's what I heard.
Yeah. Gianfranco Zola, who used to play for Chelsea, he's got one in Bromley.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Which one?
You know the gelato place next door to Sports Direct? Or Sport JD's in Bromley.
Oh, yeah, I've seen it. It's really nice.
That one.
It's really nice.
So like when I was at Splash, occasionally we'd go to the Bromley Business Awards.
Oh,
which is like, it's just like a, you know, like for local businesses and stuff.
That's nice.
And he was there a couple of times.
Oh, I love a gelato.
Especially in this weather.
Oh, that's nice. Yeah, I've seen it. It's a really nice little cafe. I've not been inside though. I was just walked past.
I think I've only been in once for a coffee, maybe.
Nice. Yeah. I'm gonna go in now and try that ice cream.
I'm sure the kids would appreciate that.
Yeah. I won't, because they're always a scoop is always like £3.
Oh god, yeah. Yeah.
I mean, it tastes good, but when you're buying for 3 people, it's like
adds
suddenly
up.
£15
As well, like
cream.
yeah, the weekend we went to the food market.
Yeah.
And
in Crystal Palace.
yeah, my mate was like, "Oh, how much is the ice cream there?" And I was like, "It's going to be like £5, man." Like,
yeah. Here, you know where we're going?
Straight over. So I'm indicating right.
If you're going straight over, do
Left.
we need to indicate?
No.
Yeah, no indication needed. There you go. Otherwise, I think you're going that way. And then this one, where are we going?
We're going right.
Yeah, that's it. So this is Mottingham.
Yeah, we come this way to go to the football.
Oh, you know it because of the football, yeah.
Oh, so we're going left here.
Yes,
so yeah,
please.
we're probably heading towards that horrible roundabout.
Yeah, near the goals.
Yeah.
Probably, but I think you're going to turn left there to go up back to Bromley Route. The houses round here are actually affordable.
Are they?
Yeah, compared to like for Bromley anyway.
Yeah.
Because it's like, I guess the last cut-off point before you start going into the Greenwich borough. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. So they're not too badly priced around here. So did he end up getting the ice cream, the £5?
No.
It's not for a toddler. It's not worth it. They're not going to appreciate it.
No, especially because they're going to chuck it all over themselves.
Yeah. For himself, yeah.
Yeah.
That's like my two. I'd rather get them like a multi-pack from...
Oh, from the shop or whatever. Yeah, the mini little Mars bars or whatever it is. Yeah. Oh, I might get one of those later.
Yeah, they prefer that, definitely. It's the same with birthday cake, because I went to a birthday party and they were just saying, one mum was like, oh, I spent £50 on a cake, and I was like, don't do that, go to M&S, that's a nice enough cake.
Colin the Caterpillar.
Yeah, because the kids don't care, they love cake, wherever it's from, you know.
Yeah, it's sugar. Like,
yeah,
they don't care. They
literally don't care. So it's always a win when the parents get the nice cake and the kids get like a cupcake.
Yeah.
Then everyone gets nice cake. But yeah, I don't buy the £50 specially made unless it's for an adult.
Yeah.
Yeah, then yeah, that's alright. But not the kids. They're happy with a
Yeah, they're
supermarket.
absolutely happy with whatever they get.
Yeah, they are easily pleased.
Yeah, for the most part.
Yeah.
So I play every Thursday, and then I play every other Monday as well.
Okay. You're really invested then.
Yeah, it's one of those things, isn't it? Like, especially as you get older. I was reading something in, I don't know, in the paper once.
Yeah.
And it was talking about always say yes.
Yeah.
To. In this case, it was talking about playing like five-a-side.
Yeah.
But it was like always say yes.
Yeah.
Because one day people will stop asking.
Oh.
And it was like, you know, as you get older, people move away. There's going to be a time where
they get busy with
people
life.
get busy with life or whatever
Kids
it is.
Yeah. It's good. You've got to stay fit.
Yeah.
Especially at our age. Gosh.
Yeah. That was the thing. Like watching.
Yeah.
Them carry their daughter around over the weekend.
Yeah.
So she's 2.5, so she's not light anymore.
They're heavy to your eyes.
And you're like, God, yeah, you need to be in decent nick.
You do.
Before you have kids.
And run after them as well.
Yeah.
Because they are fast.
Sorry, bird.
Yeah. Everyone always says I don't want to like knock over the bird. I've never seen a dead bird in my life.
Have you not?
No. Squirrels, yes. Foxes, yes. But never. Have you seen a dead bird?
Yeah, once.
Really?
Yeah, I watched it get run over.
Oh, no.
It was a seagull.
Oh.
Because
I mean, to be fair, they're not that fast.
And they don't really give an S.
Yeah.
They're just like, oh, okay, whatever. And it was just in the road eating chips, and I think there was like slow moving traffic or whatever, and it just went.
Oh no.
It's pretty grim.
Yeah, I wouldn't want to see that.
No, wouldn't recommend.
But loads of my learners have told me they've seen a dead bird, so now I believe it.